how to create really effective YouTube channel art. So looking over a handful of people who do it well. So there's things to point out here. So if you look at their branding, right, the logo's in here, good logo on her name. So Jen Johnson, obviously an image of her, new videos every week, who it's for, coaches, content creators, social media marketers, what it's about, building business with God at the center. We have a call to action here, social selling guide. Again, this little image of the cell phone here, social selling guide, quick start with a little arrow pointing it so you can get a call to action here, and her social media links. This is done very well. I'm going to show you how to create your own and upload it here shortly. Again, we want to dive into somebody else. Obviously, she's a big proponent of this, and her course teaches this. But again, solid logo. It's congruent across her platform. Subscribe, boss, YouTube channel checklist. New episodes every Tuesday and Friday. This is a great thing to let people know that when you're posting your videos, every Tuesday and Friday, so people tune in. A great social proof where she was featured, Entrepreneur, Forbes, Fast Company Inc., so forth. Dive into this. Again, they don't have a posting where they show how many videos, but it's really simple. They're branding who they are. Primal video, amplify your business and brand with video, so great copy. Again, great call to action, create videos faster with the ultimate editing process. Download the free guide, and that's that. So in here, Gary V, you can't knock him, right? He's got over close to 3 million subscribers. You probably already know who he is. Gary V video experience. He's got logos, his image, little social media and icons all around him. New videos every weekday. So again, he's letting you know. Again, Gary V's here, his website, his social links, all that. So you want to make sure you have all those things. Dan Locke also does a YouTube course on it. You can look at a review I've done for his channel as well as Sunny's or their courses. Elevate your financial confidence, unlock your potential. 3 episodes a week. So he's letting you know, hey, they're going to produce 3 episodes a week. So tune in regularly. Get your free ebook here. A lot of branding. Who he is, social media icons, love the arrows pointing here, then get the free book call to action as well. So again, Neil Patel, new videos Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Again, your #1 source for all things marketing, has his links in here. It's congruent across his platforms, his branding colors, his images, again, is congruent across all platforms. Adam Hart as well, new business and marketing videos every week. Then it has obviously his website in here. There's really no call to action. It also doesn't say, it does say every week, but it's not specific as in like Tuesday or Thursday. The background is fine, but like other channels, you could be more engaging with that. Again, it's really about being as engaging as possible, getting people to know, connect with your brand. So again, this is great. She shows social proof, 100K followers, following posts, so forth, what she does, her name, her image, helping content creators and coaches. So who it's for, what it's about, get visible, get paid, and again, when she's posting new videos every week. Again, great call to action here. Again, with the congruency with her image that she's used here. Free training and turn your followers into clients. Just join the free video here and her social links. Another one, Gabby Bernstein. You can look at her, #1 New York Times bestselling author. So again, social proof, her name, her image, become the happiest person you know. There's no information about how many videos a week or what day she's posting videos. So that would be a correction that she could do better. Again, get free guide here, call to action. She could create a little more arrows and engagement, letting people know she has a call to action there, as well as adding the social media post. Again, every Sunday here, posts here, very engaging. You want to look at all the stuff they do. You'll be more apt to subscribe and so forth. As you get tons and tons of subscribers, you don't necessarily have to follow these rules as much, and you can update your channel art better. So one thing you can do is obviously upload your own channel art, and I'll show you how to create it. So there's using Canva It's a very simple program. So I'm showing you how it works. So if you upload this, and I'll add this into descriptions, so you have this, so in this text and logo safe area, that's the minimum for mobile that will show. In the tablet, that's what will show for tablet, and in the desktop max, that will show for desktop. There's also the TV, which shows the entire image here. So you got to be selective with your channel art on where you put things. So if you notice on here, so it comes in here. So if this is on a desktop app, so notice it would get cut off here for mobile, gets cut off here for mobile. So you got to fit all this in this specific area here. And Canva is a free program. It's super simple to use. So let's say I just want to grab some simple images here, bring those in, right? Adjust the font in here. If I want to add some text in here. Obviously it comes in too big, so I want to adjust that, come up in here, edit this text here. And I'm not going to show you everything how to do it. Of course, you want to get rid of the background once you've uploaded everything, added images, you know, my YouTube channel art, right? Heading, you know, Scott White, right? So that's in there. So that's good in here. You can add more images, play around with Canva, get really good, upload your images in here, add a background to it and so forth. But we're just keeping it simple on how to do it. But you just utilize this platform, get to and learn Canva so you can produce that channel art effectively. And then when you want to, you go to your YouTube channel, you select your account, you want to go to your studio YouTube. You're going to go into your customization here on this side. And then channel customization, you're going to click branding, and then it says banner image here. So to change it, you just click that button, and then you upload the file you want to in there. And so obviously on your upload, if you upload something that doesn't fit those dimensions, you can double check that on your channel itself. So if you go into your channel itself, you can look at the channel art. So again, you can go into your channel, review the channel art if it fits in there correctly. Obviously, if it doesn't fit in there correctly, you can go back into Canva, make your adjustments, save it, re-upload it into the customization area, into branding, into the banner image, and you can change that. And that's how you adjust your YouTube channel art in Canva. So if you don't want to do this, you can always hire somebody for really inexpensive on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, and they can create your channel art for you. But the things you want to always remember when creating your channel art: your name, your logo, your image, your brand colors, who it's for, what it's about, social proof, your links, how many days you post and or what days. Be consistent with your other social media platforms, and make it so it's engaging and people want to subscribe to your channel. Simple, consistent, and that's what's best. Remember, if you need a logo, you can also go to Fiverr or Upwork to create that. They can create everything there, so you don't have to do this. Obviously, if you work with our team directly, we're already probably creating this for you. But this is how you create your channel art on your own. Through using a free program like Canva and where to upload it. Thank you.